it's an extremely great feeling to tell you that today in the studio I am sitting with Dr. Priyanka Singh, who has scored rank 42 in the NEET PG 2020. Dr. Priyanka has joined us at our Lucknow center as a second year MBBS student. She is from KGMU and an amazing student. I still remember her from the classes. Now we will hear from Priyanka about her journey with us in the DBMCI. So before I start, Priyanka, big congratulations on your amazing success.
Thank you so much.
Priyanka, before we start, are there people in your life do you want to thank about getting such a dream rank that you were looking for?
Yes, sure, sir. First of all, to God, sir, because He gave everything.
Yeah.
Then to my parents, to my teachers from KGMU, and so whole like DBMCI team, and sir, among the teachers, faculties, like almost all faculties were very good. So especially, sir, so you and Thamim, sir, like when you people motivated me, I really I want to say, so that was amazing, sir. And sir, Dr. Ashwini, sir, Dr. Jay Arora, sir, Dr. Neha ma'am, Dr. Ramyashri ma'am, sir, Dr. Sonu, sir, so many faculty, sir.
So Priyanka, how does it feel that finally your hard work of four and a half years have paid off? Who saw the result first?
So actually my friend, my roommate.
Your roommate told you?
So she's also very supportive. So sir, when she was like, so I was I was trembling. I was not at all confident that I will get such a rank because after the exam, because just before the exam, like on 4th of January, sir, I could not sleep. So I knew that sleep is very important. I mean, and I went to bed at time, but I kept on thinking like कि मेरे को अभी तक नींद नहीं आई, okay, and like अभी तक नींद नहीं आई, and so then it became a vicious cycle, and I was constantly and then throughout night I could not sleep. So in the morning of the exam, I was not at all confident and I was crying. So my friend Akashi, she also supported me. She said, "Don't think कि तुम सोए नहीं हो." तो फिर sir okay, somehow I got the confidence. My parents also supported. Just don't think about that. Sir, I never gave any exam without sleep. So and sir, but
gave this exam
yes,
without
sleep? I gave this exam without sleep.
So now from next time onward you have to give all exam without sleep. So that's a common problem. Even I did not sleep before my all India exam.
Yes,
that was the only time when I had to take Zolpidem.
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you and I have no point in accepting that I had to take Zolpidem before my all India exam, and that's absolutely okay. I mean, the level of anxiety that you might have before a particular exam could be there. So that's getting an anxious episode is absolutely normal, but see, the result is in front of you. So Priyanka, you joined us in the second year with us at the DBMCI Lucknow Center.
Yes,
so how was your experience with us, and how the DBMCI course helped you in shaping your preparation?
Sir, I joined in the second year, and sir, when I joined, so for all the faculties, I just in the second year itself I developed faith in the faculties, sir. Whatever they taught, sir, I revised in the second year those notes. Apart from the standard books I was reading there, and then sir, in the third year I skipped some of my second year subjects because of the classes of the college as well. And the most important thing, sir, I felt the faculties were so good that each and every faculty, sir, I developed the faith. So whatever they said कि इतना ही है बस, तो इतना ही revise करो, तो okay, I followed it very strictly, sir. And sir, regarding question के लिए approach, and sir वो आप हमेशा बोलते हो कि मेरे को कोई आता हुआ question नहीं गलत होना चाहिए. So that thing in the third year when you said, then that thing stick to my mind कि okay, I'm not going to read too much, but whatever I know I should learn to imply it by practicing. And so that thing was very important कि आता हुआ नहीं गलत होना चाहिए, and no one can correct it 100%, no one can study, sir. So many things, and I became oriented right from my MBBS toward this. So I had a lot of faith. I have faith in my notes, faith in my teachers, sir. And
So getting the faith on your institute, getting the faith on your teachers is probably the single most important point that is coming up here. And that is again I want to tell that do not come into that fear of missing out कि भाई ये मेरे को यहाँ से नहीं हो पा रहा, I am not able to do on that particular part. Just try to get on this, that if you have read something and somebody asks you that particular point, you should be able to do it. Okay. So Priyanka, you did the 19 subject by the time you finished your third year. Okay.
yes, sir.
Some subject once, some subject even twice, like
Yes.
first or the second year subject. Okay. Then is there any subject that you repeated in the final year MBBS?
No, sir.
No. Then what? How you channelize your internship?
So in the internship, I was like, कि मेरे को सारे classes, like I'm going to do all the classes again, because with that we can, I mean, it becomes a schedule. Like, so if our faculty is coming and they are, so it was like most of the teachers were same, so we could revise those notes. Some updates could be added, and sir, with them, the subject was completed in those 2-3 days. I mean, if I were to do them alone, so काफी time I could have spent. So with them, I kept on revising the notes, and so I mean, as the class was over, I used to revise the notes, and then I used to solve the questions, and then for some subject-wise test, just to finish, yes, it's like over now.
So basically, you repeated all the 19 subject once again during your internship.
Yes, sir. I skipped like, sir, as sometimes the postings were hectic, so I skipped 1 or 2 classes. Like, sir, I skipped PSM. So I think, so I just updated the notes from my friends, like what are the, because updates are there in PSM. So at that time a poster was not supporting, so I just took my friends notes कि like क्या क्या update करा है, so I just added.
But otherwise you tried to complete all the 19 subjects. Okay.
Yes,
So you completed the subject by September.
yes, sir.
Okay. And then you started with like proceeded with vibe.
Yes, sir. I
So
did
how
that.
was your vibe experience?
So vibe was really good, sir. Especially, sir, I mean, the radiology, the anatomy, the microbiology, EC sir, Thamim sir wala, and so it was good. And the way it was like designed that we could revise all the subjects in that 5 days. So it was a quick revision of the important topics. So I found it like very helpful. And I tried कि उसमें थोड़ा भी जो था तो I could just
Add
see
on to the
it,
thing.
yeah.
Okay. How was that special session of scoring more 150 marks extra? Like, were you able to attend, watch that session?
Yes, sir. Like I watched that, sir. I mean, especially sir, most of your videos, sir, I used to see, and especially like regarding long questions, you said that that thing I actually followed in the exam, sir. Like you said, कि last wala line, मतलब just see like what are they asking, and just फटाफट से we read the options, and then we quickly go through the question again. Then we know that what we need to find out from this. So in this exam, it was very, very helpful, sir. And I was thinking about it when I was giving the exam. So and the most important thing is like keeping faith, don't like avoiding that fear of missing out,
Yeah.
which it was very helpful.
How important it is to remain motivated during the preparation?
So, so remaining motivated is really a challenge. I mean, I used to think like for me, but it is for almost all the students. Like at some point or other, we all start feeling like कि पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा. We start losing faith, and it's like time पर when your faculties they are releasing the videos, especially sir, you were like, I mean, some teachers I feel them कि like God has sent them, because whenever I used to face a problem regarding that, they had like something they were telling, you know, do it like this, do it like this. So many a time the rank doesn't comes in like CLTs and in the grant test, so we start losing hope. But if like आपके साथ like teachers and they're saying कि no, it happens with everyone is like forgetting things and so doing it again, then it gives a lot of confidence and we can start it again. And that's, I think, so the most important thing, that we keep it continue, so till end, and then so mostly
And the result is in front of you.
yes.
Priyanka, last point that I want to raise here is how difficult it was to stick to one place, like because you were exclusively associated with us. You did not join any other offline, online platform. You did not join any other individual classes. You have solely trusted DBMCI as your one to go place for a PG entrance exam.
Yes, sir.
And I'm sure that a lot of time self doubts keep on coming to you. A lot of time people are bombarding you with the questions.
Yes,
So how difficult was it to remain focused on one particular place, that yes, this is the place which I have trusted and this is what that I am going to use as my want to go place for cracking the exam?
Yes, sir. Like when we started internships, so many of our friends, like they started thinking now we have so many things like everywhere, so why don't we should like change and all. But sir, the main motivation for me were my seniors, sir, who did so well and they followed this very same thing. So and so especially I had faith in my teachers again. I would say, okay, like yes, when like my seniors are saying, ki, nahi, it is that what is enough. You need to just revise again and again. So because the notes are, the best thing is that the notes are concise and they are revisable. We can revise them 4 times. I mean, like, if you want to revise. And sir, I used to see other people. Sir, I am telling you, sir, either you will say overconfidence. When I used to see, like, I was saying, itna bada notes you can't. I mean, I never lose faith ki nahi. I knew ki revisable nahi. Like
So
some
beta, that
people.
is why you are here. That is the whole idea. It is not an overconfidence. It is the right amount of confidence that you are having, and that FOMO is an underconfidence. So you are not overconfident. You are rightly confident, and that is what is required to crack the exam. So friends, this is a very important message that I want to give to everybody, that please have a faith on the people who are teaching you. I am not talking about myself. I am talking about in general. Wherever you are reading, please have a faith on those people. Please try to stick to that particular place, so that you can utilize their expertise on that. If you are with us, it is our responsibility that we will not leave any stone unturned. We will provide you everything at one place which is required to crack the exam. But at the end of the day, this is the level of dedication, this is the level of trust that we expect from you people. And if you can give us that, then definitely you will be sitting with me here and we will be talking and guiding our juniors. Any special advice that you want to give to the students who are watching this interview?
Yes, sir. I would say that it is not as tough as it seems. I mean, it becomes tough because we start diverting it so many places. Some people think like कि ये नहीं पढ़ा तो ये नहीं, ऐसा कोई set rule नहीं है. Everyone is different. But the main thing is that कि have faith at one thing. I mean, don't go to so many places. Just stick to one thing. Whatever you, I mean, wherever you are, just stick to one thing. Keep faith in your teachers, and keep faith in yourself most importantly, because there will be times like you will be losing hope, and then so like teachers like sir can always help us. But keep doing it till the end, and if you are not going to lose it, keep believe in yourself. Yes, one day that day will come, and the day comes. Really keep faith.
See, so yeah, as she rightly said, that please have a faith on yourself. If you are losing confidence, I am available. Pick up your phone and send me a WhatsApp. If you think WhatsApp is not enough, pick up a phone and call me. I'm available to all the students when they need me. Just remember me, and I'm sure that I will be available to take care of you. But at the end of the day, you have to trust me. You have to trust the institute. You have to have a faith on you that yes, you can do that. And I'm sure that if you have that, even if you have scored well in this particular year, that is absolutely okay. That is absolutely okay. We have lot of success stories that I'll be sharing with you as the time will pass, about the students who have jumped from not qualifying to a 3-digit rank, to a 2-digit rank. So keep watching this particular space. Specifically when you are demotivated at this point of time, you will be seeing that there are a lot more that you can learn, provided you stay focused, you stay motivated, and whenever you have a problem, we are available to take care of you. Once again, a big congratulations, Priyanka, for scoring such an amazing rank, making all of us at DBMCI proud, making the Lucknow Center proud, making your KGMU proud on great achievement. We are very happy for you.
Thank you so much, sir.